How to fix Cash App won't let me verify my identity. So here's what we have to do. Click on your profile icon in the top right, and then here we want to scroll down and select support. Now we will search for verify my identity from this list, and you will choose verify my identity, this option here with the little link icon. Once we click on it, it's going to tell us that we will need to follow SSA to disclose our social security number, so on and so forth. So click on continue here and see if that works for you. If you're still having trouble verifying your identity, we will go back here into support and then just search for verify identity once more like this, and click on trouble verifying identity. So it's going to tell us that either the image was blurry, the image had a glare, corner of the ID wasn't visible, the ID was expired, didn't meet the age requirements, the image of the back wasn't clear, the barcode wasn't clearly visible, the image of your face wasn't clearly visible, or the selected country doesn't match the country of the ID. And if neither of those are the cases, we can just search for contact support here like this, and you will be able to see some articles. Click on any article here, click on chat, and you will explain to them that you're having trouble with verifying your identity, and they can further assist you. Hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.